Sa lubong, be. Tignan natin, ha? Let's look. Wait lang. Uy, nakakatuwa. Ay, hindi, baliktad. Ayan. Pasalubong. Ayan. I'm like the youngest child. We're going to share it with Hadasa, Hana, at saka sa papa nila, be. Ayan. Kasi nag-work sila, be, sa 4 hours away dito. Ng 2 days. So, ayan. Kaya si Miss Erica yung nag-drive nung mga nakarang araw ko nung kailangan ko ng appointment sa doctor. Hinihintay ko si Hana. I'm waiting for Hana. And she will eat her vegetable and we will share this with Hana also. Hi, Hana! Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta! Share with ate. Chocolate! You like chocolate?
Chocolate from Senda?
Yeah! You like it? Let's open and choose. Wait lang. Tulungan natin si Hana, be.
Did you make these?
I did not make those.
You bought them.
I bought this.
Ano kayang color yung kukunin ni Hana? I'll put it in the middle. Oh, she wants. What color is this? Red?
Oh my gosh.
I got away.
What color will Hadasa get? She got green.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. More, if you like more.
How was your school today?
Where's this?
Me, I'll try this too. Okay, let's try this.
No.
Mint. Yan, tsaka itong pink.
Probably.
Naku, wala na akong tomorrow. Ito sa akin tomorrow blue at tsaka green. Tsaka red. Okay. Hannah will try this one. Okay. Have a great night. We love you. Let's eat first. Si Hannah ang kulit. Yung outfit ni Hannah kasi biglang nagyaya tong mga to ng ramen.
Shoes. You have some music. Kids ramen.
Ano to, be?
More ramen. You want a kids ramen and cheese pizza?
Yeah.
Okay.
I need like some bathroom as well. Me too. Where's the bathroom? Oh, up there. Can we go to the bathroom?
Cute. Ang cute.
We need the poo.
Ito na ba yung tummy ko, oh? Malaki na siya.
The water is not flowing.
Parang 5 months ba to? Joke lang. So, hopefully, thankfully, on next December, malaki na yung bata, be. So, ako, makakaraos na tayo niyan. Thank you!
Ooh, it looks hot, girl.
Tastes good,
Be
man.
careful.
Wow, it looks beautiful. Bakit pinapaypayan ni Hana? Ang kulit. Akala ko free yun, be. They really like the ramen. It's so good, baby. Drink sa atin. Let's try. Try natin. Masarap yung lasa ng ramen. Ano ba to, be? Ito, hindi ko alam kung ano to. Lagay ko na lang dito. I don't know what's that. Pero it smells like garlic. Let's try. It's so good, be. Malinamnam siya. Hindi tayo mahihiya. Masarap. Sabi ni Hana masarap daw. Ang laki ng bolbe, oh. Diba? Nakakatuwa dito. Dapat na natin natry yung iba't ibang ramen house kasi lahat masarap. Okay? Sana spicy to, be. Yum, they love it. Hala, ano kaya yan, be? Hana, come on!
And we all know what happens on September 11th.
Oh, you're so cute, Hana. You look like a baby. Hana said she's a baby.